Beware drivers, if you like to speed, the Florida Highway Patrol is targeting you. State troopers have launched 2 separate campaigns that they say will make the roads safer. News Channel 5's Alana Quillen is live near I-95 in West Palm Beach to tell us more about it all. Alana?
Well, state troopers have identified 19 hot spots where they know drivers are hitting the gas a little too much. That includes right here at Okeechobee Boulevard and most of I-95 heading in this direction towards Boca. Now, if you like to speed, troopers say you better watch out.
Idiots. People that don't look.
William Fust is about to get a little more help on the road.
30 years on bikes and 25 on the truck. I see my fair share.
Florida Highway Patrol has launched a statewide crackdown on aggressive drivers around truckers. Troopers say most fatal crashes involving tractor trailers are caused by both the car and truck driver.
You have to remember tractor trailers, they can't stop on a dime like a car.
And a lot of small cars feel like, they don't want to get behind you, I think, because they keep wanting to cut you off.
It's one of 2 active campaigns by FHP targeting dangerous drivers. State police told me 2016 was the deadliest for crashes since 2007. Over 3,000 people killed.
People are crazy. They don't care about others on the road at all.
To stop the trend, FHP used crash data to figure out which areas to crack down on bad drivers, narrowing it down to 19 hot zones.
Generalized areas between 95 and the Turnpike and in different areas of the Palm Beach area where there's a high amount of injury crashes and fatal crashes.
FHP says troopers will spend more time in these zones, checking speed or parking in visible areas. News Chopper 5 captured one on patrol this morning in one of the hot spots along I-95.
If the police are out and they're visible, it makes people more realize that they've got to obey the laws and slow down.
And don't worry about paying more. Ticket fines will remain the same in these hot zones. Now, FHP says they hope these campaigns will stop the decline in tickets written in South Florida. Troop L wrote nearly 10,000 less tickets in 2016 compared to the year before. Now, I've got a list of these hot zones posted on our website, WPTV.com. Reporting live in West Palm Beach, Alana Quillen, WPTV News Channel 5.